Hey guys, how you doing today? Here's another video for you guys. As you saw in the thumbnail, it's a Kit Kat and a Pikachu drink from China, I believe, or Tokyo. I'm not 100% sure. But it says it's a strawberry soda. So let's see how it tastes first. Oh, it's clear. I don't know how I feel about that. So. Like me. It's like me. Like if it's there and it's the only option, maybe. Like I would say okay, but no more than that. It's not an amazing drink. I probably wouldn't buy it again. And then we have a Kit Kat Chunky Choco Extreme Chalk. So it's that. Of the Kit Kats, it's not the best of the flavors that I've tasted, but it's okay. Would I buy it again? Probably not. But if you like chocolate Kit Kats, it's a good option to go for. Anyways, thanks guys for the over 1,059, I think, subscribers. Much appreciated. And I will catch you all next time. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.